BMW's B58 inline 6-cylinder twin-scroll turbo engine. This is a staple of the BMW family line for their performance vehicles. A super robust engine, 3 liters, inline, turbocharged, that has a response like a naturally aspirated 8. Technically rated for 386 horsepower, but like BMW does in traditional fashion, it's well underrated. The numbers, based on a few dyno pulls of units out there, show a very different story. Much higher horsepower, much higher torque at the wheels where it counts. Phenomenal engine. The one to have, unless you're going to get the big brother, the M55, in the M3s and M4s.